Netflix is the world's largest streaming website. It has the maximum numbers of shows than any other streaming platform in the world. But unfortunately, you cannot have access to all the titles at one particular place. In this video, I am going to teach you how you can get all the access to all the libraries from different regions of the world without leaving the comfort of your home. Hello guys, this is Ankit from TechCheck360 and let's start the video. Alright guys, so before actually starting the tutorial, I want to show you what does this actually means. What do you mean by changing the region for your Netflix library and browse all the different libraries from different regions of the world? For example, I'm currently on the Netflix homepage, and if I go over to the news and popular section, you can see that it is showing me the current top 10 shows or movies in the India region right now, which means that if I have to watch a show, for example The Office, which I guess only limited to the United States region of the world, it is showing me that the Office name title exists in the Netflix, but it is not available in my region. Now to access this show or similar shows like this, I need to have something which can help me to access the shows which are not in my region. To fix this problem, I would have to use a tool called VPN or Virtual Private Network, and for this tutorial I'm going to use the NordVPN. And why I'm going to use the NordVPN, I'll tell you about that later in this video. But now let us just connect to the United States server using NordVPN and see whether Netflix works or not. So now you can see that I'm successfully connected to the United States server using NordVPN, and now I'll just go back to the Netflix homepage and click on reload. So you can see that now Netflix is showing me the library for US region, which means that I can access all the shows or movies which were not available in my original region. Now to test out whether the NordVPN works or not, I'll just go over to any random title and then click on the play. So now you can see that the NordVPN works just flawlessly and I can watch any movie or show without any lag or any sort of buffer. So now I'll just go back to the NordVPN and test out whether the same works for the United Kingdom region or not. So I'll just go back to the NordVPN and disconnect from the United States, and then I'll just search United Kingdom. So here it is. So now I'm connected to the United Kingdom region of the world using NordVPN, and now I'll do the same with the United Kingdom server. Alright, so it has successfully connected me to the UK version of the Netflix, which was expected, and now I'll again test out by playing a title randomly. So let's go with this one, White House Farm, I'm sorry. So now we have tested out the NordVPN in both the United States and United Kingdom region of the world, and we have found that the NordVPN works just flawlessly, and we have also tested out by playing some shows and it worked just flawlessly without any buffer or lag. So you can definitely watch any movie or show without worrying about the geo restrictions. Now let's talk about why I selected the NordVPN to unblock all the regions of the Netflix. Well, the NordVPN has a really lot to offer to its users. For example, NordVPN offers a really great set of features, such as it offers a secure and safe internet experience, an ultra fast connection with downloading and uploading speeds, a strict no logs policy, which means that the company doesn't keep any track of its users, not even the use time, an uninterrupted streaming or browsing experience, and all of your devices are safe and none of your data is leaked throughout their safe tunnels. And NordVPN has spread out their servers all across the globe. And speaking of the servers, NordVPN currently operates on more than 5,495 servers across 59 countries of the world, and the more number of servers a VPN company has, the more Netflix library you can access. And all the servers of NordVPN are optimized according to the user's need, and they ensure to deliver a fast, secure experience on the internet. With all these features, NordVPN comes at a very handy price, starting its first plan at $11.95 for one single month, the second plan at $4.92 a month for 1 year or 12 months, and the third plan at $7.42 a month for 1 year, which includes the premium deal. and you can get all these features that you are seeing right now on your screen. With all these subscription plan, you can also opt to have a privacy beyond VPN, which includes NordPass Premium, which is basically a password manager that keeps all of your passwords safely at just one place, or you can opt to have a NordLocker Premium with 10 gigabytes of online cloud storage. But that's completely an optional deal. It's not up to you whether you want that feature or not. Payment methods offered by the NordVPN are very flexible. You can use your credit card, Google Pay, PayPal, and if you really want to stay anonymous and don't want to share your details with anyone on the internet, then you can use the cryptocurrency as well. And the NordVPN supports a really great variety of cryptocurrencies as well. For the best deals on NordVPN, you can check out the link in the description below. Now let's come to the conclusion of this video. We have seen that how the NordVPN helps us to unblock all the Netflix libraries from different regions of the world, and we can also watch any movie or show without any buffer or lag. This helps us to ensure that all of our Netflix content is available to us without any problem. For the price that the NordVPN is available for its users, it is definitely one of the best VPNs that you can get right now in the market. And not just for the streaming, it also provides all the benefits of the VPN that make sure that you are completely safe on the internet. So without any doubt, the NordVPN is definitely the best VPN to unlock the Netflix or to do all the things online without any risk. So that's it for today, guys. I hope that this video was really interesting and helpful for you, and if you really want to see some amazing content like this, then you can consider subscribing to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.